Hello friends, this is Rajesh and welcome back to Input Output Campus. So in the previous video, we have learned the time complexity of a very simple program. So in this video, we'll see another examples how to calculate the time complexity and the space complexity of some programs. Okay, so here you can see we have write the main function, and inside this function, we'll write a function to swap two numbers. So suppose the name of the function is swap. So right here int swap. So this is the function, and here we'll pass two numbers 1 and 8. Okay, so we'll write the same function here. So int swap, and inside this write two variables. Suppose int a and int b. Okay, so now the variable a contains this 1 and the variable b contains this 8. Okay, so now we want to swap these two numbers. So to swap these two numbers, we need another temporary variable. So right here int temp. So this is the temporary variable. So initially the variable a contains 1 and b contains 8. So first of all, we'll store the value of a into this temp. Okay, so for that you have to write here temp equals to a. So the value of a will be stored into this temp. Then we'll store the value of this b into this a. So a equals to b. That is, the value of b will be stored into this a. And finally, we'll store the temp value into this b. So this is the program to swap the two numbers. So the function name is swap, and inside the function there are two variables a and b, and there is another variable temp. Okay, so this is a simple statement, and this will take 1 unit of time. Next, this is also a simple statement, and this will take 1 unit of time. And next, this is also a simple statement, and this will take 1 unit of time. And this is also a simple statement, and this will also take 1 unit of time. So if you see, the total time is 4 units, and this is constant. So the time complexity, for this program is order of 1. So here 1 is a constant. So the time complexity is order of 1. And what is the space complexity for this program? So here you can see there are three variables a, b and temp. So the variable a takes 1 unit, and the variable b takes 1 unit, and the variable temp also takes 1 unit of space. So the total space taken by the program is 3 unit. Okay, and which is also a constant, that is the space complexity is equals to order of 1. So here 1 is for constant. Okay, so hope you understand how to calculate the time complexity and space complexity of a program. Okay friends, so hope you enjoyed this video. So in the next video we'll see another example. So thank you for watching this video.